Dear participants, welcome you all. I will introduce our resource expert faculty, Dr. Surendra Gore. Dr. Surendra Gore is born on 12th April 1963 in Nagpur. He obtained his BE and MTech in Mechanical Engineering from VNIT Nagpur and doctorate degree in Industrial Engineering from National Institute of Industrial Engineering, NITIE, Mumbai. He has completed BS Psychology and MS Psychotherapy and Counseling, Advanced Diploma in Management and PG Diploma in Operations Research. He is recipient of National Merit Scholarship since SSC till completion of BE. Further, he received 2 gold medals for being first merit in MA Economics and first merit in MTech exam, while he stood second in order of merit in MA Public Administration exam of Nagpur University. Dr. Surendra Gore is currently involved in personality development, IQ and EQ of students and corporate HR training. Regarding his experience, he has total 37 years experience. Initially he worked in Godrej, Mumbai, after which he joined Sri Ramdev Baba College of Engineering and Management, Nagpur in 1984. He worked there in various capacities like HOD in Industrial Engineering and Management Technology and Vice Principal till April 2008. That is for almost 24 years. Thereafter he worked for 4 years each at JIT as a Vice Principal and Nagpur Institute of Technology as a Principal. He has been visiting faculty at MIT Nagpur. Presently he is working as a Principal at St. Vincent Pallotti College of Engineering and Technology Nagpur since 18th June 2018. Regarding his achievements in academics, Dr. Surendra Gore is a recognized guide for PhD in management and in engineering. He has guided 2 PhD scholars. He has, to his credit, 4 books and 47 research papers. He has been honored with a national award for the paper published in Industrial Engineering Journal, which he also received the Best Paper Award at International Conference on HR. Corporate training. He is highly reputed corporate HR trainer and has conducted more than 350 training programs covering over 5,000 corporate participants from industries like L&T, Crompton Greaves, Mahindra & Mahindra, Ultratech Cement, NECO, Raymonds, LIC, WS, MECL, TAL, Global Logic, then SEML, then Guymetex, SMS, and many more. Regarding his international exposure, he has visited Dubai, Sharjah, Abu Dhabi, Bahrain, Sri Lanka, Indonesia, Bangkok, and Singapore for attending international educational events. Extracurricular achievements. During his student day, he had been awarded with the Best Sportsman of VNIT Nagpur and had represented VNIT in 6 games such as athletics, kho-kho, kabaddi, handball, volleyball and chess up to university level. He has elected as the sports secretary of VNIT. He received 3rd prize for acting in one act play competition in Nagpur University. 2 times he had successfully completed National Himalayan Trekking Program. He is conducting workshop on aptitude development WAD since last 22 years for technical students. WAD is of 12 days duration with a student of 12 hours a day. Thank you all.